Most cruise passengers have no idea what's actually happening behind the scenes. But today, I'm revealing the secrets cruise lines hope you never discover. And trust me, after hearing these, you will never look at cruising the same way again. Secret number 12. They track every single thing you do on board. Most passengers think their cruise card or wristband is just a room key, but cruise lines see it as something far more valuable, a complete behavioral tracker. Every drink you order, every restaurant you visit, every shop you enter, every slot you play. Cruise lines store it all. They analyze what time you spend money, where you walk, what catcher ideals work on you. This is why on day 2 or 3, you suddenly notice special personalized offers appearing on your app or cabin TV. Those aren't random. They're targeted, designed to push you into spending more. Think of it like a floating casino plus shopping mall plus psychological marketing machine moving in the ocean. Secret number 11. The free drink strategy is a psychological trap. Cruise lines proudly say, free drinks, free buffets, free snacks. But what they don't say is that free drinks are limited. Quality is low. Cups are tiny. Lines are long. Only available at certain lounges. After a day or two, passengers get frustrated. They want convenience. They want good cocktails, not watery drinks. So you buy the drink package. And that package is where cruise lines make massive profit. Some drink packages cost more than the daily cruise fare itself, and thousands of people buy them without thinking twice. This setup is designed perfectly. Secret number 10. Fares are intentionally manipulated to make you feel lucky. Cruise fares are not random. They follow a system that tracks demand, browsing behavior, and past sales. When you check prices repeatedly, the cruise line software knows it, and it slowly increases the fare to push you to book quickly, thinking, prices are going up, I should book now. But guess what? You weren't getting lucky, you were being nudged. Cruise fares move like airline fares, but with even more emotional psychology behind them. Secret number 8. Identical cabins, massive price differences. 2 rooms look the same. 2 people sleep in the same bed style. Same square footage, same deck, same layout. But one pays way more. Why? Because cruise lines hide secret discounts. Residency rates, casino player rates, military rates, early bird codes, last-minute codes, marketplace flash deals, private travel agent promos. And they never announce them publicly. If you don't know how to ask, you pay more for the exact same experience. Secret number 8. Cruise food isn't as fresh as advertised. Cruise ships carry thousands of passengers and feed them nonstop for a week. So how do they manage? Simple. Massive food storage and advanced freezing systems and bulk pre-prepared items. Many of the grilled fresh meats were frozen days earlier. Most desserts are pre-portioned. Even the fruit is chilled for long storage. Nothing wrong with it. They must feed thousands. But the marketing makes it sound like everything is farm to table, ocean to plate. The truth is, it's efficient production, not luxury cooking. Secret number 7. Sea days are designed to make you spend more. Ever notice how cruise itineraries always include 1 or 2 sea days? These days are the gold mine because on sea days, no cheap restaurants, no local markets, no outside activities. So you stay on board and spend money. Spas get booked, casinos get crowded, bars get busy, shops open with special sea day sales, and art auctions magically appear, and photo studios push deals. Sea days are not random. They're profit days. Secret number 6. Many cruise ports are fake local experiences. Passengers think they're exploring a country's culture, but in reality, many ports are built, designed, or controlled by cruise companies. That local marketplace? A cruise partner. That authentic restaurant? A cruise affiliate. Those local souvenir shops, they pay commission to cruise lines. You think you're shopping locally, but the money goes back to the cruise industry. Secret number 5. Cruise crew cannot tell you the full truth. Cruise crew are amazing, hardworking people, but they are strictly trained on what they can and cannot reveal. They are not allowed to tell you which excursions are overpriced, where to get cheaper deals off the port, when the ship had technical issues, when food supplies ran low, when safety incidents happened, when ports are unsafe, when the weather is risky. They're not being dishonest. They're following a strict policy to avoid panic, bad reviews, and legal trouble. Secret number 4. Cabin upgrades aren't always better. You get a message. Upgrade available. Only $99 extra. Feels exciting, but what you don't know is that many upgrades are under the gym, next to theater speakers, under the pool deck, near crew access doors, beside noisy elevators. These are the noisiest cabins, and cruise lines often use upgrades to dump them on someone. You feel lucky while they quietly fixed a cabin they couldn't sell. Secret number 3. Cruise lines don't make profit from your ticket. This is the biggest secret. Your ticket mainly covers fuel, maintenance, port fees, crew salaries, logistics. Real profit comes from alcohol, specialty dining, photo packages, excursions, internet, shops, spas, and casinos. Cruise companies are basically floating malls and casinos. The ticket is just the entry fee. Secret number 2. Cruise lines can remove you from the ship anytime. This shocks most people. Cruise lines legally reserve the right to remove any passenger if they believe you're causing disruption, you're violating rules, you're endangering others, you're too drunk, you're refusing safety procedures. They do not need court orders. They do not need police evidence. They do not need full justification. And you don't get a refund. It's in the fine print nobody reads. Secret number 1. Medical care at sea is extremely expensive. The ship's medical center is not included in your fare. It is privately operated and very expensive. A simple visit? $150 to $300. Basic medication? $50 to $150. Serious treatment? Thousands. Emergency evacuation by helicopter? $30,000 to $60,000 plus. Cruise lines don't highlight this because it scares passengers. But the truth is, a small health issue can instantly become financially painful. That's why travel insurance is a must. Outro. Smooth ending. Cruises can be magical, relaxing, and unforgettable, but only when you know what's happening behind the scenes. Now that you've learned these 12 cruise secrets, you'll be able to avoid traps, save money, stay safer, and enjoy your trip like a true expert. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, comment more cruise tips, and subscribe for more cruise secrets and insider advice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next cruise the smart way.